So is there any shape or something on the printed circuit board other than, having lines, proper separations, proper current capacity and ground planes and all that stuff? Is there anything else on the printed circuit board that one can do?
For
Any particular shape or something like that, or which basically reduces EMC emission on the one hand and EMC susceptibility on the other
Yep.
hand.
So more on the shapes is the stack up. It's more than the
Stack up.
Stack up. So people dedicate very little time to the stack up, and they should spend time to design the stack up. So it's always the
Signals have to be referenced properly
Yeah.
to a ground plane.
yeah, that's it. Yeah. So not a specific shape, but more on you have critical signals. What is the relative positions to reference planes?
We are pretty good at that. I mean, stack up is one of our specialty, especially for a highly controlled impedance, high frequency
Yeah.
stack ups.
Yeah. Yeah.
And advising on the ground planes and the structures, et cetera, and don't have a split in your ground plane, because otherwise your signal is going to the return path will get.
Yeah, the challenge is that people that are already at that level, that they know that they are controlling impedance, that they use specialized tools to design their stack up.
Right.
They are already they are already skilled. The challenge is the other 70% of people that they have built circuits that work, but never
Pass the test.
Pass the test. Yeah.